Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications in the Duolingo app. First, you have to open up the Duolingo app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our course. Here we can start the lessons and progress. From here we just go into the profile menu in the middle bottom thing. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, then tap on notifications, and here we have all of the notification types that we can set and manage. For example, if we want to turn off the leaderboard notifications, we can just tap on leaderboards and the leak status, tap on the phone icon, and this turns it off. Or if we want to manage the announcements, here we can do the same thing. Friends as well, and reminders as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.